Hi guys! You know how at a barbecue potato salad looks plain and people just pass it by? Well, today I'm going to show you how to make a potato salad that looks as good as it tastes, and you definitely won't have any leftovers. There's so many different types of potato salad. This one is similar to a southern style potato salad. All the ingredients are in a link right below this video. I'm using russet potatoes for this recipe. You can use another type of good baking potato. I've covered the potatoes with water, add salt, the water's come to a boil, I'll reduce the heat and then let it cook on medium heat for about 20 minutes until the potatoes are tender. I'll also cook the eggs at the same time. I've got a couple of eggs in a sauce pot covered with water. I'll bring this to a boil. Once it comes up to a boil, turn the heat off, cover the pot, and let it sit for 10 to 12 minutes. I just set my timer to 10 minutes. Then I'll put them in cold water and peel them. If you squeeze the egg a little, the peel will come off. Insert a knife into the middle of the potato to see if it's cooked. It's just cooked. I like it a little bit more done, a little bit softer, so I'm going to cook it for 2 more minutes. Leave them for a few minutes until they're cool enough to handle. While the potatoes and eggs are cooking, prep the vegetables. For fresh herbs, I like to use dill and parsley. You can use either or both, whatever you have. We'll cut some red onion and put that into a big bowl. A couple of stalks of celery. Chop up the parsley and dill. To the vegetables, I'm going to add apple cider vinegar, vinegary hot sauce, prepared brown mustard, salt, ground black pepper, smoked paprika, a little garlic powder. Give that a mix. Peel the potatoes while they're still warm. Slice the potatoes small like this. Cutting it into smaller pieces helps them absorb all the flavors. Add the potatoes to the bowl while they're still warm. This way they soak up all the vinegar and mustard and spices. We have a lot of potatoes, so add half first, mix it in, and then add the remaining half. Mix this well and set it aside. When the potatoes are cool, we'll add the dressing. For the dressing, I'm going to use mayonnaise and yogurt. Mix the mayonnaise and yogurt. I also like to add pickles. You can use sweet pickles, regular dill pickles, or even pickle relish. I'm using sweet pickles. These are pretty sweet, so I'm not going to add too many. The eggs, just a rough chop. Add the pickles. Pour on the dressing. Mix this up really well. Taste and see if you need to add any more salt. I'm going to add a little bit more salt. Potatoes need a good amount of salt. And some more pepper. And lastly, add the eggs. By the way, if you want my classic potato salad recipe without eggs, I'll leave a link below. Put this in the refrigerator for a couple of hours. Overnight if you have the time. When you take it out of the fridge, of course, it'll thicken up a little, and you can add a little bit of mayonnaise or yogurt if you want. This is a very creamy potato salad with just the right amount of tanginess. Paprika sprinkled on top, as well as more chopped herbs, make for a pretty presentation. Your guests are going to want second helpings of this salad. Let me know what type of potato salad is your favorite in the comments below. Subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.